Hi all, let's see list in C sharp. List is a collection of strongly typed objects which can be accessed by its index. That is, it's a generic collection. In list of T, T is a type of object. You have to specify which type the list object belongs to. For example, here created an object for list using new operator. Inside the angle bracket, I specified integer type. So this object will only contain integer values. If I try to add any other type like a string or decimal, etc., it will show an error message. It will only accept integer value. So list is a collection of strongly typed objects. We can access list by its index. Here calling the list object and inside the square bracket specifying the index. Here I specified 0, so it will print 1. By using for or for each loop to iterate the list values, we can also use link queries to manipulate the list values. Here, created a list for integer type. Like this, we can also create a list for string type, decimal type, etc. Let's see how to create a list for custom class type. Here created a sample console application and here created a class for customer details. Inside this customer detail class, created three properties: ID, customer name, and contact number for customer. Let's create a list for this customer detail class. Inside this main function, created an object for list of customer details. Let's create an object for customer detail class. By using this class object, we can add values to these properties. Let's add values. Object dot. Repeating a dot operator, you can see a list of class properties here. Let's assign some values. For adding this customer detail item to this list, we can use add method like this. List object dot add method, and inside the parenthesis provide the item object. Here I added only one item. Like this, we can add many items to this list object like this. Here, each time when adding a new item to this customer detail class object, here I reinitialize the object because this object will point the memory address which point the old items. This list object having three items now. Let's iterate and print that. I'm going to use for each. Name. Let's execute and check. Here we received three items successfully. We can also use collection initializer syntax to assign values to this list. For example, let's comment this. Here assigned three items to this list object. By specifying the index, we can access the values, or we can use for each or for loop to iterate the list values. List class provide the methods for adding, sorting, searching, and modifying the list. By using add range method, we can add an entire array, hash table, sorted list, queue, or slab in list. For example, here created an object for list and here created an array and assign some values. By using add range method, we can add these array elements into list. Next, by using insert method, we can insert element into the list at the specified index. For example, here created a list and by using insert method, here I am inserting the element 50 at fourth index. Next, by using remove range method, we can remove elements from the list. For example, here created an integer list. This remove method will remove first occurrence of element 1. This remove at method removes first index element. This remove range method removes elements from 0th index to first index. Like this, list provides short, clear, contains, find, binary search methods also. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.